Have you ever wondered how businesses accurately log every minute of an employee's workday, especially in settings where computers or phones are not readily available or practical? Ensuring precise timekeeping is crucial for accurate payroll and strict labor law compliance. Tracking employee hours with a physical time clock involves using a dedicated device located at the workplace for employees to record their start and end times. This typically requires them to interact directly with the machine, often by inserting a card, swiping a badge, or performing a biometric scan such as a fingerprint. This straightforward method ensures precise attendance records are captured consistently for payroll processing, adherence to labor laws, and effective project cost management. Physical time clocks provide a simple and tangible way to document exact working hours, which significantly minimizes potential disputes over time worked. This directly helps businesses comply with complex wage and hour regulations, which vary by region and industry. Their clear-cut operation makes them an excellent choice for manufacturing floors, retail environments, or service industries where employees might not have individual computer access or need a quick, reliable way to clock in and out. To effectively implement a physical time clock system, you will first need to choose the right type of device for your operational needs. Options range from traditional punch card clocks, which physically stamp time on a card, to modern badge swipe systems that read employee identification. There are also advanced biometric time clocks that use unique identifiers like fingerprints or facial recognition to prevent buddy punching, where one employee clocks in or out for another. Once selected, install the clock in a highly visible and easily accessible area. For digital and biometric clocks, you will then connect the device to your network and integrate it with your chosen payroll or human resources software. Next, thoroughly train all employees on how to properly use the time clock for both clocking in and out, and for any break times. Clearly communicate your company's time and attendance policies. Finally, regularly review the collected data for accuracy and to identify any discrepancies or patterns that may requiring attention. Most modern physical time clocks automatically export data, streamlining the payroll process and reducing manual errors. An interesting aspect of modern physical time clocks is their ability to integrate with sophisticated human resource information systems. This allows for automated calculation of overtime, breaks, and even departmental labor costing. This means your data not only tracks attendance but also contributes to detailed financial analysis and budget management. Physical clocks also offer a robust audit trail, providing verifiable documentation of employee work times, which is invaluable during compliance audits or employee inquiries. By understanding the distinct advantages and operational steps of using a physical time clock, you can ensure accurate timekeeping, maintain compliance with labor laws, and streamline your payroll processes. This approach ultimately leads to more efficient business operations and fairer compensation for your team, fostering trust and clarity in your workforce management.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on legal and HR SaaS.